Welcome you all for the Pankal CET crash course. Today we are going to start with the PUC 1 mathematics. That is, today's topic is about sequences and series. Okay, sequence and series. So let me start with some basics point. Afterwards, we'll move to the problems. Okay, so first one is that is, I'm audible to you all. Am I audible? Yes. No. So arithmetic progression. Sequence series. That first point will come. That is arithmetic progression. A sequence Pn is said to be arithmetic progression. That is AP. If Tn plus 1 and Tn plus 1 of I minus Tn is D, that is common difference. Means what? It is nothing but Tn minus Tn plus 1 minus Tn, if it is giving the D as a common difference for all n belongs to the natural number, such it is called as AP. Then second condition is, if A is a first term and D is a common difference, then the AP can be written as, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. Means what? A is what? It is nothing but the general term of the, it is general terms of the first, that is general term of the first, that is series of AP, that is arithmetic progression. We start with uh, term, that is general terms of the AP can be written as A as a first term, then A plus D, A plus 2D, so on up to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is will give the, that is uh, series of the AP, that is general terms of the AP. So general term of the AP, A is indicating the first, A plus D, A plus common difference will give the second term, and plus A plus common term, that is a common difference, 2 times the common difference will give the third term, so on. Okay, this is what we can say it as. A is the first term and D is the common difference. And third condition is Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Means what? Sn indicate for sum of the n terms, and Sn minus 1 indicates the term of the sum of the n minus 1 terms. So it is a S indicates sum of the n terms, and sum of the n minus 1 terms. The difference of these two will give you Pn. Okay. Now, next question. Next is the general term of an AP. The general term of an AP can be written as, if the general term are written, first term of an AP is indicated by A, and second term is A plus D, and third term is A plus 2D, so on. So nth term can be determined by, that is Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is already you learned in the, right from 10th standard you are learning this. Okay. And we denote Tn, capital Tn also. Tn in the sense it is nth term, and Tn is also same. Both meanings are one another the same. Okay. Then if last term of an AP is indicated by the L, then L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is nth term is itself is indicated by L, last term. So L is also given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now next one. Next one is, that is arithmetic mean, AM. If AM between two numbers, AM in the sense arithmetic mean between the two numbers A and B. Two numbers are what? That is A, and second term is B. Okay. So two numbers are A and B. Then A is equal to A plus B by 2. That is AM indicates for A plus B by 2. That is nothing but 2 times A arithmetic mean, that is equal to A plus B. So arithmetic means what? Sum of two numbers when it is divided by two consecutive two numbers, then that will give you arithmetic mean. Okay. Now the sum of n of arithmetic mean between two numbers A and B. That is, if A can be indicated by A1, A2, A so on up to AN are n terms of AM, that is arithmetic mean between A and B, then A1 plus A2 plus so on up to AN is equal to n times A. N times A in the sense n times of the arithmetic. If A where AN is indicated by A plus ND. So A plus N, what is D here? That is common difference is what? B minus A upon N plus 1. So totally it can be written as A plus NB. N into B, that is NB. And NA, N of A, that is nothing but NA minus A. Okay. Upon N plus A. So where D is B minus A upon N plus 1. That is, it is denoting the sum of arithmetic mean between the two numbers, that is AN. Where arithmetic mean is different. Students try to understand now. Arithmetic mean is only the mean of between the two terms. That is A plus B by 2. But here the difference is sum of n arithmetic means. Sum of n arithmetic mean. So this is one arithmetic mean itself is what? A plus B by 2. Sum of n arithmetic means in the sense that is nothing but A plus NB upon N plus 1. This is the indication. Is that clear? Have you all understood this? It's a basic topic for you all. Just try to recall it. Already you learned in the PUC 1 and 10, but for second year also you need to know about this. Okay. Next. Let me start with the first question of this session. 1 minute, student. Someone is unmuted yourself. Please mute it. If you want to speak something, you can unmute. Okay. Regarding the session. If it is regarding any doubt, you can speak by unmuting yourself. So the first question. Which term of an AP, which term of an AP 72, 70, 68, 66, so on up to n, that is n term is not given, so on is 40. Which term of an AP this series will become 40? Just try to understand, try to solve now. 1 minute time. Which term of an AP, that is series is given 72, 70, 860, 866, where 2, because T2 minus T1 will give you common difference. That is minus 2 is the common difference over here. Just try to understand and give the answer fast. Yes, answers are started now. I'm receiving the answer. Jyoti is given that it is a D. Admin to everyone it is given that A. Let me see this because different answers are there. Sharath is also given A. Vedavati is A. So various majority of you have given the answer. Option A as the answer. Here option C is student. It is nothing but 18. Okay. Option C is 18. It is misprinted. It is 18. Yes. Option A has given by the many students. Let me check the answer. Suma has given the option B as answer. So time is over. Just let me uh, explain this. It is nothing but what is A here? Already you know that it is 72 itself is a A. I will write in a shortcut. Okay. And D is what? D is nothing but T2 minus 70 minus 72. It is minus 2. Okay. So nth term be what? 40. This is the nth term. Nth term is 40. So what is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A here? 72 plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D because n we don't know. Write it n as it is. Nth term we know, but n we don't know. Okay. N is n minus 1 into D. D is what it is? Nothing but minus 2. So try to solve now. It is 70 and Tn. Tn is equal to 40. Nth term is 40. So here it is 40. So for 72 plus sorry, it is a minus 2. You can write it directly. Minus 2 into n, minus 2n, minus 2 into plus 1, that is plus 2. Okay. So try to solve and you'll get the answer. So what is the answer now? It is a 74 minus 2n, which is 40. So 40 minus 74, which is equal to minus 2n. So here it is 40. M means it is 34. It is minus 34 is minus 2n. So n is equal to both side negative. 34 by 2. What is 34 by 2? 17 is the answer. Option B is the correct one. And many of your Vedavati, Sharat, you have given the please wrong answer. Please make it correct. Please change yourself the answer and just write it down if you are having any doubt in this. Okay. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Okay. So shall we move on to the next question? We'll move to the next question now. Question number 2. Yes. We clear the drawing. Yes. Now, the 10th term of a sequence root 3, root 12, root 27 is. What is the 10th term here? 10th term, they are asking direct question it is. So here you know that I will give the hint. A is given. A is root 3. Okay. What is D? D is what? T2 minus T1. Term 2 minus term 1. So that is 12 minus root 3. 12 minus root 3. So it is nothing but root 3 is the answer for this. Okay. So now try to get the answer. T10 is equal to what? Difference is, common difference is root 3. T10 is what? Quick. Use the general term. 10th term. It is nothing but A plus 9D. According to general term, 10th term is what? A plus 9d. A is what? Root 3 plus 9 times d. D is root 3. What is the answer? It is nothing but 10 root 3. Correct? 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 is not the option here. But when you take 10 inside, 3 into what is square of 10? That is nothing but 100. So 100, when it will go outside, it will become 10. So it is nothing but root of 300. 100 into 3, 300. Option B is the correct one. Am I audible? Yes, Bhima Bhai Ambedkar, your answer is wrong. Please make it correct. It is option B is the correct one. Have you all understood? Am I audible? Okay, now next. These questions will look very easy, but getting the right answer is very difficult here. Please, student, be alert and please be attentive. And if you are having any doubt, you can ask. Okay, now next question. Fourth question. If A, B, C, D, E pair in AP, then E minus C is what? A, B, C, D, E pair in AP, then E minus C is what? Again, 10 seconds time for you. Fast, make it fast. Radhodi Mahesh has given the C as the answer. Bhima Bhai has given the C as the answer. Let me check that. I think internet is a bit slow. Please, 1 minute. Yes. Admin is given D. D. Sharath here. It is given the D from the YouTube channel. Bhima Bhai and Kadroli Mahesh has given the C as the answer. Let me check that. So, it is given that from if A, B, C, D are pair in AP, then E minus C is what? So, just check here. It is D minus C. D minus C is equal to E minus D. Why? Because if they are in AP, common difference should be same. D minus C is as good as E minus D. Both should be common difference should be same. Okay. So D minus C means what it is? 2 times, just interchange the terms. D and D. D if you transpose to other side, it will become 2 times D. Minus D will become plus D. So it will become 2 times D. And C you transpose to other side, E plus C, or you can say C plus E. Am I right? So now, which is equal to 2 times D, 2 times D is equal to E plus C. It is 2 times D is equal to E plus C. So can I write 2 times D minus 2 times C is equal to E minus C? Correct? Because if you see interchange the terms. Now, 2 times D minus C, take the common 2. D minus C is equal to E minus C. Am I right? 2 times D minus C is equal to E minus C. So which option is correct now? 2 times D minus C. That is nothing but E minus C. Option C is the correct one. Option C is the correct. Jyoti Laddi has given the correct answer. Bhima Bhai and Kadroli Mahesh has given the right answer from the YouTube channel. Yes, next question. If A, B, C are in AP, then A upon B by C, 1 upon C, 1 upon B are in what? If A, B, C are given that it is, condition is AP, they are in AP, then A upon B by C, comma, 1 upon C, comma, 1 upon B are in what? AP, GP means geometric progression, HP means harmonic progression, and D is none of this. What is your answers? Please try to give the answer fast. Jyoti D has given the option D. Jyoti has given the option D as the answer. Sharat is also given the option D as the answer. Edwin has given the C. From YouTube channel, I am not getting the answers this time. See, A, B, C are in AP, it is given. So write it down. A, B, C are in AP. Okay. Dividing the throughout by BC, what we will get? Let me check. Okay. Divide all the sequences, all the AP series by dividing by BC, because here BC is something is there. Let me check this. Dividing by BC. Dividing by the BC. So what we will get the answer? Let me check this. So dividing by BC, that is A will become A by BC, B will become B by BC, and C will become C by BC. So B and B got cancelled, C and C got cancelled. It remain with what? A upon BC, then 1 upon C, and 1 upon B. So what is the answer here? It is nothing but AP. They are all in AP. Okay. Option A is the correct one. When I dividing by the common term, it is nothing but the AP. Madan Naik has given the right answer. C. No. I think his answer is also wrong. Please make it correct, all of you. Bhima Bhai Ambedkar has no. Bhima Bhai, your answer is wrong. Please make it correct. Okay. We'll move on to the next question now. Yes, next question. If for a sequence Tn, comma, Sn is equal to, if for a sequence Tn, Sn is equal to 3 into 4 raised to n minus 1, then what is the Tn? Try to understand the question and give the answer fast. I will solve here just for you. You can use your knowledge and give the answer fast if it is very comfortable for you to solve. It is very good. It is clearly given that what is Sn? Sn is given here. Sn is equal to 3 into 4 raised to n minus 1. So what about Sn minus 1? Sn minus 1. Because Tn is equal to, in the just notes time, in the initial of that, it is introduction time. At the time I told that Sn minus Sn minus 1 will gives you Tn. Okay. So what about Sn? Sn is given. Sn minus 1 is what? Sn minus 1 is wherever n is there, put it n minus 1. 4n minus 1 minus 1. That is the Sn minus. So what about Tn? Tn is equal to nothing but Sn minus Sn minus 1. Try to give the answer. That is 3 into 4n minus 1 minus 3 into 4n minus 1 minus 1. That will be the answer. That will be the series. That is nothing but Tn will be. Try to get the answer now fast. Madan Naik has given the A as the option. So it is a 12n minus 3 minus 12n minus 12 raised to n minus 1 12 raised to n minus 1 plus 12 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 got cancelled. It is left with 12n 12n. Okay. So what is the answer here? N minus 1 in the sense, if you take 3 as a common, then it is left with what? It is left with 9 into 4n minus 1 minus 1. 4n minus 1 minus 1. So it is option D is the 4n minus 1. No, because common is not taken. 9 into 4n minus 1. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. Next question. Next question. What students? Something you are saying that B is also same, sir? Yeah, B is also same. Correct, 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 correct. Okay. Now go for the next question. 15th term of an AP, that is the 21, 16, 11, 6. Try to give the answer for this. 15th term of an AP is what? Here A is given that it is nothing but 21. A itself is 21. Okay, na? Next, B is what? D is equal to what? D is nothing but 16 minus 21. It is nothing but minus 5 is the answer. D. Then use the Tn. What is Tn? Or you can directly use T15. What is T15? A plus 14 times D. That will gives you T15. A is the first term plus 14 time difference will gives you T15, or you can use the Tn first formula, that is, I mean, using the two different methods here. Okay, it is or Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D you can use, and substitute here T15. then wherever n is there, substitute it. Okay. A is given that it is 21 plus, but first one is a shortcut method. D is minus 5. So 21 and 14 into 5, it is a 70. So 70 minus 21, what is the answer? 70 minus 21, it is nothing but 49. Minus 49 is the answer. So option C is the correct one. Okay, students, next one. Next question. Okay, next question is here. It is for a GP, geometric progression. For a GP, 4 comma minus 4, comma 4 comma minus 4, so on up to Tn. So on up to Tn. What is the answer for this? Again, 1 minute time for you. Just try to solve it and get the answer fast. For a GP, 4 comma minus 4, 4 comma minus 4, so on up to Tn. What is the answer? Yes. Excuse me. Okay. So I am receiving the many answers. Okay. It is nothing but direct question. Nth term of an GP. Its formula is nothing but 4 into minus 1 raised to n minus 1. E into r raised to n minus 1. It is nothing but 4 is to minus 1 raised to n minus 1. It is a direct answer. Kadoli Mahesh has given the correct answer here. Next question. Next question, students. It is, if the first term of a GP is 2 and sum of infinity is 6, then R is what? They are seeing the common ratio here. Please try to get the answer. If first term of a GP is 2 and sum of infinity is 6, means what it is? First term, it is given that A is equal to 2 and sum of infinity, S of infinity is equal to 6. What is R? So we know that S of infinity is equal to what? A upon 1 minus R. A upon 1 minus R. So A upon 1 minus R is S infinity. S infinity is what? Sum of infinity, that is given that it is 6. Use that. So sum of infinity, when you know that it is a 6, A is 2 upon 1 minus R. Try to solve further things and get the answer quick. It is nothing but 6 into 1 minus r is 2. 6, that is nothing but 1 minus r is what? 2 by 6. That is nothing but 1 by 3. Am I right? So minus r is equal to, I will write here, please, in a white screen, I will write minus r is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1. So it is 2 by 3. 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 2 by 3 is minus r. So minus on both sides got cancelled. Answer is 2 by 3. Option D is the correct answer. Jyoti has given earlier your answer was wrong. Now it is correct. Madan Naik, your answer is wrong. Please make it correct now. Bhima Bhai, your answer is wrong. Kadroli Mahesh, your answer is right. Please make it correct now. Option is 2 by 3. Bhima Bhai, it is 1 minus r is equal to 1 by 3. So r will become what? It is 2 by 3. Okay. Next question. Yes, next question is here. The sum of first 8-digit term of GP is 82 times the first 4 terms. Means sum of first 8 terms of a GP is 82 times the sum of the first 4 terms. The common ratio of the GP is what? 4, 5, 3 and 2 are the options here. Please try to solve it and get the answer quick. First 8 terms. So S8 of GP is what? It is nothing but first 8 terms of GP. It is given that it is what? 82 times of first 4 terms. That is S of 4. Sum of first 4 terms. 82 times. 82 into S4. Correct? Huh? So try to calculate now. So what is the GP? General terms of a GP is what? What is GP? It is nothing but A plus R plus A plus R square, then so on. Okay. It is the general term. Now, A into bracket 1 minus R raised to 8 because 8 times. Okay. R raised to 8 upon sum of 8 term is R raised to 8 upon 1 minus R. What it will give? So it is nothing but 82 times A minus A into 1 minus R raised to 4 terms. 4 terms. Okay. One student. Yes. R raised to 4 upon 1 minus R. It is the sequence as it is. I solved in a detail. Now, what it will give? Try to solve now first. It is 1 minus R raised to 4 into 1 plus R raised to 4, which is 82 into 1 minus R raised to 4. Why? Because denominators will get cancelled directly. So 1 minus R raised to 4, 1 minus R raised to 4. It will get cancelled. What it is remains with? 1 plus r raised to 4 is equal to 82. Okay, I will write it here in a clear screen. 1 plus r raised to 4 is equal to 82. R raised to 4 is equal to 82 minus 1, 81. So r is what? It is fourth root of 81. What it is? Fourth root of 81. It is nothing but 3 raised to 4 is 81 in the sense 3 is the answer. Is that clear? 3 raised to 4 is 81. So fourth root of 81 is nothing but 3. Option C is the correct one. Make it correct and write it down fast. Yes, Bhima Bhai has given the correct answer. Absolutely, your answer is right. Next question. For a GP, R is equal to 2. S8 is equal to, that is sum of 8 terms is 510. What is the third term? T3. Again, 1 minute time for you. Try to solve it. What is Sn? Sn of GP, what it is? It is already, we know the formula. A into R ray, sorry, A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Try to solve it now. And it is R is given. R it is directly, it is known. R is equal to 2. So S8 we want. S8 is known, 510. So what is A term here? A term is unknown. But R is known. 2 raised to R is 2. And N is 8. S8, Sn is as good as S8. So it is 1 upon 2 minus 1. So what the answer will give? Just check it out. S8 is what? It is already known. S8. S8 is 510 is equal to, what is the answer? 510. Then A into 2 raised to 8 minus 1. And denominator is what? 2 minus 1. It is nothing but 1. So try to get the answer fast. So A into, what is 2 raised to 8? A is the answer. Many of you have started giving the answer A. Try to get the answer fast. Remaining I will not solve. Fast. Mother Nayaka is also given the A as the answer fast. Yes. So what is A value got? Yes, our answer is absolutely right. So it is nothing but 2 raised to 8 is I think 256 minus 1, 255. So it is 255 in the sense uh, 510 by 255, that is A. So it is 2. A is 2. Once you got the A value, A is 2, then solution getting is directly you can know that what is T3? T3 is nothing but 8 is the answer. Why? Because T3 means what? It is T3. It's all here only. It is 2 into 2 raised to 3 minus 1. So what it is? 2 into 2 raised to 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 is the answer. Okay. Next question. Okay. If three numbers A, 8, B, where A is not equal to B, are in GP, and A, B minus 8 are in AP, then the values of A and B respectively are what? It is given that option A is minus 4 minus 16, option B is minus 4 16, option C is 16 minus 4, D is 16 and 4. Here two series are given. First one is A, 8, B are in GP, and A, B and minus 8 are in AP, and A is not equal to B. What are the values of A and B? Try to solve now. First use the condition A, 8, B are in GP and A is not equal to B. This is the condition. A, 8, B, and here it is given that A is not equal to B. So what I can write here? 8 upon A is equal to B upon 8. Why? Because it is A is not equal to B. A upon 8 upon A is equal to B upon 8. So cross multiply A into B, cross multiply diagonally, which is equal to 8 into 8, that is 64. Okay, na? Now, which are in EP now. So A comma B comma minus 8. Use the second condition. A comma B comma minus 8 are in what? It is given that they are in AP. Correct? So B minus A is equal to B minus A is equal to minus 8 minus B to get the common difference. B first second term minus first term, third term minus second term. If they are in AP means they should be equal. Common difference must be same. Okay. So what is B here? B, if you transpose to other side, B plus B minus B will become plus B. So 2 times B is equal to A minus 8. A will become plus. So B is equal to what? A minus 8 upon 2. So solving A and B, both you can solve. A into B is 64. In that B is equal to A minus 8 upon 2. Solve it. So A into what is the value of B? B is known. Use the value of B here. So that is A minus 8 upon 2, which is equal to 64. Okay. Now, try to solve. What is the answer you will get? Let me get the answer. Try to solve now, fast. A square minus 8A is equal to 128. 64 into 2, that is 128. So you will get the simultaneous equation here. What it is? It is A A square minus 8a minus 128. Try to solve it. You will get the answer A as what? A as you got the answer as 16. You will get the, after solving this, you will get the A as an answer, that is 16. Substitute A as 16 in A, B is equal to 64. This equation, substitute A in the any one of the equation. So 16 into B is equal to 64. So what is B? 16 fours are 64, obviously. So answer is going to be 16 and 4 are the answer. A is equal to 16, B is equal to 4. Option D is the correct one. Jyoti, your answer is wrong. Madan Naik, your answer is wrong. Please make it correct. 16 and 4. Option D and A are the, option D is the correct answer. Next one. Because of lack of space, we are solving here and there. Please make it correct. Okay. Now, okay, next question is here. If G1 and G2 be the two geometric means between two positive numbers P and Q, then G1 into G2 is equal to what? Try to get the common ratio here. You can get G1 by P is equal to Q by G2. So G1 into G2, just like a previous, is equal to cross multiply diagonal. G1 into G2 is equal to P into Q. Which one option is correct? Option B is the right answer. This is the most important with respect to the CET. Most important question it is, because it looks very easy, but until and unless you get the correct ratio, you won't get the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Yes, students. Next question. Seventh term of a sequence root 2, root 10, pi root 2 is what? Seventh term of the sequence. Okay, try to solve now fast. Sequence is given. That is the root 2, root 10, pi root 2. Pi root 2, you can replace it like this also, huh? Pi, if you get it inside the root, it will become square. That is 25. So means what it is? Root 50. Even you can write it as root 2, root 10, root 50. Okay. Madan Naik has given the option as A. Option A is the correct answer as according to him. Let me check. Seventh term. So T7 is what? What is T7? Already we know that first term A is root 2. Correct? What is seventh term? So it is seventh term. It is root 2 into root 5 common ratio 7 minus 1. r raised to n minus 1, n is 7. So try to solve now. Root 2 into root 5 raised to 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. So root 2. So what is the answer here? Root and 6 by 2, that is 3. 5 raised to 3. What is the answer here? Root 5 cube is 125. Root 2 as it is. 125 root 2 is the option D is the correct one. Madan Naika, please change your answer. Option D is the correct one. Next question. If the product of three consecutive terms of a GP is 216, product of three consecutive terms of a GP, okay, then sum of the product of pairwise is 15, 16, then the numbers will be, and the sum of product of pairwise will be 15 and 16, then the numbers will be what? Try to get the answer fast. Just 1 minute. I'm not getting this. Yes, yes. Students, please make change in this. It is not 15, 6 pairwise. The sum of product of pairwise is 156. It is. By mistake, it is got 15, 6. It is 156. Okay. Okay. Now, so if the product of three consecutive terms, what are the three consecutive terms of a GP? First term is what? A upon R and A into AR, the product of three consecutive term I used as A upon R, A into AR. So this will give the, what is the product? It is given that 216. Correct? So use it. So what is the answer here? It is nothing but R and R got cancelled. It is point in means multiplications. Huh? So A cube is equal to 216. What is cube root of 216? It is nothing but 6. Correct? A is what? A is equal to 6 now. So now next one. Sum of product of pairwise. It is given that 156. Correct? So sum of product of pairwise. Pairwise in the sense A upon R into A. This is the first pair. Second pair is what? A upon R into AR. This is the second pair. What is the third pair? First and second and third. A into AR, which will give us 156. That is the second case. So use it. So it is nothing but what? It is A square upon R plus R and R got cancelled. Second is A. R and R got cancelled. It is second is A square. Third one is A square into R is 156. So what about R? If you calculate it, A if you substitute it as 6, then R value will get as 3. R is equal to 3. A you got it as 6, R is equal to 3. Then what is the numbers? It is very easy. That is nothing but A is 2. Okay, first term, there three numbers are what? It is 2. Second term is what? It is nothing but 6. Third term is AR, that is A into R. 6 into 3, that is nothing but 18. Used in this series, you will get the all the three numbers. A is what? I will show you here, students. Don't get confused. A upon R. A is 6, R is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So you got the 2 as an answer. First one. Second is what? A. A itself is what? 6. 6 is the answer. Third is what? AR. AR is what? A is 6. R is 3. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay, na? So 2, 6, 18. So option B is the correct one. Option B is the correct one. Okay. So students, with this, we'll wind up today's class at this stage. Tomorrow we'll meet with one more new topic of the PUC one. So till that, keep on practicing and take care. Bye.